Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best star key wrench set is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools a DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic can have in their arsenal, offering a unique solution for those stubborn star-shaped or Torx fasteners that standard hex wrenches simply can't handle, making it indispensable for automotive repairs, electronics, and even furniture assembly, ensuring you're always prepared for the job at hand. Number 5. MULWARK 17 PCS Folding Allen Wrench Set. Introducing the MULWARK 17 PCS Folding Allen Wrench Set, your ultimate solution for both metric and standard SAE needs. This versatile tool is designed for convenience and efficiency in your daily tasks. This comprehensive set includes 17 pieces made from premium materials, ensuring exceptional performance. Its unique flexible angle design makes it perfect for working in tight spaces and various environments. It covers a wide range of sizes, including metric from 1.5 mm to 8 mm and SAE from 5/64 inch to 1/4. You'll have the right size for almost any job. Crafted from high-grade alloy steel, it offers maximum performance with an ideal balance of strength and allowable angle. It works perfectly in confined spaces and is less prone to stripping. The ergonomic handle provides excellent leverage and torque, allowing you to tighten fasteners much better and faster. Experience a comfortable grip for extended use. Designed for smooth operation with comfy handles, this set is ideal for both extended use and makes an excellent gift for hobbyists and professionals alike. What we like. This set offers a wide range of metric and SAE sizes, making it incredibly versatile. Its unique flexible angle design is a game-changer for working in tight spaces. If you often find yourself struggling to reach fasteners in awkward spots or need a reliable tool for general home repairs and applications, this is the set for you. What people say. The wrenches themselves are made of a sturdy, durable material that gives me confidence they'll withstand plenty of use. Having 17 different sizes all neatly contained in one compact folding unit is incredibly convenient. No more rummaging through a disorganized drawer trying to find the right Allen wrench. The sizes are clearly marked, making selection quick and easy. The foldable design keeps all sizes neatly organized, reducing the chance of losing individual wrenches. Its sturdy build and comfortable grip make it a reliable tool for both home and professional use. Number 4. JENABOM 61-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set. Introducing the JENABOM 61-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set, your ultimate solution for household repairs and electronic device maintenance. This comprehensive kit is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Crafted from high-density chrome vanadium steel, these bits offer exceptional hardness, wear resistance, and durability. The magnetic tip ensures bits stay securely in place, and the non-slip surface with tail-bearing design helps tackle even the tightest screws. The ratcheting handle rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to work in hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its magnetic tip attracts small screws, preventing loss. The set is conveniently stored in a compact, hangable case. This precision set includes a wide variety of bit types, such as hex, Torx, flathead, and Phillips, totaling 61 pieces. With 48 easily replaceable bits, it's perfect for home maintenance of various small products. Everything is neatly organized in a compact carrying case, making it easy to take anywhere. This professional hardware tool set ensures you have the right screwdriver for any situation, providing quick access to all components. This versatile set is ideal for repairing appliances like washing machines and refrigerators, as well as electronic devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It's also great for bicycles, watches, and automotive parts. What we like. This comprehensive kit boasts 61 pieces, including a vast array of precision bits for almost any task. The rotatable ratchet handle and magnetic tip make working with small screws and in hard-to-reach areas a breeze. If you're looking for a do-it-all solution for electronics, furniture assembly, or intricate household repairs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Compact case with integrated hanger makes it easy to keep accessible on my pegboard. Large selection of bits. It has nearly every tip head you need and the ratcheting system is nice and loose in a good way. The big handle takes everything else and clicks to 45 and 90 degrees so it has leverage like a wrench. Number 3. DISEN 36 PC Allen Wrench Set. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these tools offer exceptional hardness and durability. A black oxide finish ensures they resist corrosion and rust, keeping them in top condition for years to come. This comprehensive set includes 36 pieces covering SAE, metric, and Torx star sizes. You'll find the exact hex key you need for any job, with sizes clearly stamped for easy identification. The included T-handle provides a comfortable grip and allows for increased torque without straining your fingers. Its long arm ball head design enables a 25-degree entry, perfect for reaching tight and awkward spaces. These are incredibly useful hand tools, small enough to access confined areas where traditional keys can't. They make tightening or loosening bolts and nuts a breeze, ideal for auto repair, DIY projects, and home maintenance. Each tool in this set has undergone rigorous testing to meet industry standards for hardness and durability. With normal use, they are designed to last a lifetime, giving you peace of mind. What we like. With 36 pieces covering SAE, metric, and Torx sizes, this set is very comprehensive. The inclusion of a T-handle significantly improves torque and comfort, while the ball head design allows for a 25-degree entry into tight spaces. If you value added torque, comfort during extended use, and the ability to tackle slightly more challenging access points in auto repair or DIY projects, this set is a strong contender. What people say. The handle worked great at busting them loose and then retightening once the cutters were clean. I am a maintenance mechanic at a beef processing factory and I bought these because one, they were cheap, so I figured if they don't hold up then oh well. However, these have held up great, put a lot of torque on them, and they have not broken yet, not even the ball end that normally breaks off. Fit great on bolt heads, and there is every size you would need. Number 2. Mutt Tools 33PC Security Bit Set. Introducing the Mutt Tools 33P Security Bit Set, your all-in-one solution for tamper-proof fasteners. This comprehensive kit is designed for professionals and DIYers alike. It includes a wide array of specialized bits, such as security Torx, hex, spanner, tri-wing, and torque. You'll have the right tool for virtually any security screw application. Crafted from premium steel, these bits are engineered for maximum performance and longevity. They offer superior torque transfer to prevent stripping and ensure a precise fit. This set functions as a reliable tamper-proof screwdriver set, empowering you to handle challenging tasks with confidence. It simplifies even the most difficult jobs. Everything is neatly organized in a durable case, keeping your bits protected and easily accessible. This complete set replaces the need for multiple individual security bit tools. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for security fasteners, featuring tamper-proof bits in various types like Torx, hex, spanner, and tri-wing. The CNC machined bits ensure a perfect fit and superior torque transfer, minimizing stripping. If your work involves security screws, electronics, or any application where tamper-proof fasteners are present, this specialized set is essential. What people say. The bit edges were sharp and it did not slip when I really had to crank down to loosen the security screw. Definitely a quality set of security bits. Super set of apex bits that will work with every imaginable security type screw head. Well put together kit, small and organized, easy to get bits in and out for use. Number 1. 9PC Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. Introducing our 9-piece Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. Crafted from hardened and heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a mirror-bright chrome finish, it's built for durability and resistance to corrosion and rust. This set includes a comprehensive range of sizes from T10 to T50, with lengths varying from 65mm to 175mm. It's designed to handle a wide variety of tasks with ease. The long arm design is a key feature, providing extended reach and significantly improved leverage and torque. This makes even tough jobs more manageable. Experience enhanced comfort and control with the humanized, color-coded rubber coating. This design not only feels good in your hand but also allows for quick and easy identification of each tool. Perfect for furniture assembly, bicycle maintenance, and general household DIY projects. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any repair or assembly task. What we like. This set focuses on Torx sizes and features a convenient color coding system for quick identification. The long arm design provides excellent reach and leverage, making tasks like furniture assembly or bicycle maintenance much easier. If you frequently work with Torx screws and appreciate tools that offer enhanced reach and quick size selection, this set is ideal for you. What people say. All colored with a rubber finish so they don't slip when applying torque. They fit tight in the carry case so I don't think they will fall. I used them for some tight nuts and they didn't bend, so they look durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.